folks. Jay McGovern, GovCo Energy. We have Paleo-High building lesson number 101 here in Corpus Christi. And the first particular zone we want to look at is a Time 1 beach building in which we have the sea level at 0 elevation. We have a nice beach front here, beautiful sunny afternoon, and the trout are running in the surf, and we have the Alana sand deposited right here in brown at Time 1. And then many years later, she becomes buried subsequently. In Time 2, we have the gray sand now basically replacing her. We still have sea level at 0. We have a nice group of reds working the surf, as well as people enjoying the sunshine and an umbrella here. And then we move on to Time 3, again many hundreds to thousands of years later, and the Ernie sand is now in the same position that the Alana and the Grace sand were at one time, as they are buried deeper. And we again are at sea level here with the mackerels working in the surf, beautiful beach and a sunny day. We're beginning to experience some compressional forces or even possible uplifts from underlying plastic shale. And these are beginning to bow the Alana and Grace sand up. The Ernie sand is still, of course, deposited at sea level. As we move again more down in time, possibly 500 to 1,000 years or more of deposition depending on the beachfront, we're again back here in Time 4 at 0. Beautiful sunny day. We've got some whiting working out in the surf. The Wilburn sand now is being deposited in the same position that the Ernie, Grace, and Alana sands were. But now you're beginning to experience more compressional forces or uplifts, which is giving rise to this Paleo-high right here. Sea level is again at 0, and then these sands are beginning to bow up now, but they're the effects of where the sand is across the crest of the Paleo-high has nothing to do with anything except for the fact that the way they were deposited by longshore currents long ago. And that would be the explanation of a Paleo-high building. As you can see, the longer sand thickness between the elevation of 0 and the sands in question, the longer they are, that means they're thicker, and then the thinner parts is up on the Paleo-high, and those are in position for trapping eventually once this reaches 1,000 to 1,500 foot burial depth. Thanks for investing.